Hello, good evening. Uh, Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. This is my blog. Uh, Today I will teach you about the static variable. Uh, Static variable part 1. I will show you. So first of all, I would like to introduce you about the static variable. Actually, the static variable preserves the variable value. Uh, I mean to say that save variable value. In Java, there are many states of the static variable, like the static variable, static method, or static block. So, if I write the definition of static variable, or you can say the static keyword, that is mean of static keyword is used to where you want to preserve your value, okay, or you can say for the memory sharing, okay. So the static keyword is used to memory management. That is the right definition of the static variable. But how the static keyword is used for memory management? Suppose you want to create a application for your college, and in this application you want to save your student data. Then what data you want to save it, like the student name, college name, roll numbers, etc. If you want to save 1000 student in your database, for all students the college name is same, then you can make the college name is static and share to all the students. That is mean of the static keyword. Otherwise you will take 1000 variable for college name for the each students. So static variable only those variable which is common in the class, like the college name for the students, okay. So only those variable which is common in the class. Take an example. You can make notes of the Java by using my channel, because I write lots of things about the Java and their concepts. uh, you you see the visible things are clear. If not clear, please mention in the comments. So in this example we have a college class, so remove this college class and take a student class, okay, in which we can take integer roll number of the student, string name of the student, okay, and the college name. If you take the college name for all students is same, and for all students you can take variable, then you do the bad programming, because you can share your variable for all the students by using the static variable. It's not common for all the students. Also, the student name is not common for all the students, but college name is the same for all the students. So also it's not. Yes, this is the common. So remove these things by using eraser. Okay, take a new slide. Hmm. I have a diagrammatic view of the static variable. Int roll number, string name of the student, also the string college name. Okay. For objects, if you create objects for the student class, that is s1, s2, s3, s4 and so on, 1000 students. Okay, so roll number for the s1, s2 and s3 and s4 difference. For the s1 we have three property: roll number, name and college name. Similarly, for the s2 object we have three property: roll number, name and college name. For all these objects we have three properties for all the objects. College name is not static. If college name is not static, then you should take for the each students, you should take variable for the each students, take extra space for each students, or you can say object in the memory. So the static variable, by using static variable you can reserve a single space and share that space for the all the students. Okay, suppose two students in the college. Again draw the diagram, objects s1 and s2. For the S1 object, we have two properties, that is roll number and the name of the students, Jacob. For the student, for the object S2, also use stu variable. The college name is Bets. If you use static variable, the college name take a single space in the memory. College name Bets. If you use static, then remove these parts from here and connect that college name for both the objects. Name is Bill. Yeah, that's fine. That's mean of the sharing memory. Create memory only for once. Okay, so now take another example. Of static variable. These are some features of the static variable I will provide in the later video session, or you can say the later video parts of the static variable. I have some things about the static variable, that is save previous states. I mean to say, if you have a variable that's contain a value 0, and in the next step the value is incremented by 1, that is 1. If you are again addressing your code, then you get the value of the variable is 1. Okay, so let's to open the NetBeans IDE and take the integer count is 0 and in the constructor count plus plus. If integer count is equals to 0, then count plus plus, and then what the value of the count is here, that is 1. Without the static variable, create an object of the static example object equals to new static example. This is the without static variable. Now save this and run it, this file. The value is 1. Object 1 for the object 3 2. Now save this, and what is the value of for the object 1, object 2 and object 3, that is 1 1 1. That is for the non-static variable. If you use static variable to save the states, again use static, that is integer count is equals to 0, so make the count variable static. If you want to show the concept, that is variable save previous states. Okay, so I'm writing here about the non-static variable. A non-static variable create separate memory space for all objects. Okay, don't so make it static here and change the output